The active weather just keeps on coming. Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist for NeoWeather and Snowplow News here, Brian Ivy. We're tracking the winter side of this storm with winter storm warnings and advisories on the northward end and wind and even strong storms on the southern end of this. Look at the temperature differences between the north and the south there as we go through the day on Tuesday. 60s, 70s. Only a few hundred miles away, there's 20s and 30s. You know, in the springtime when you see that, you're going to have some pretty interesting weather going on. Severe weather possible with this system from the Gulf Coast states up into the Ohio Valley, where portions of the area could see damaging winds, large hail, and even a few tornadoes. But not only the severe side of things, we're also looking at a pretty good winter storm with this system as well. So coming out of Rapid City and Billings, Montana into the Dakotas, especially South Dakota, and then moving eastward as we go throughout the day on Tuesday and into Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning as well. Minneapolis, Twin Cities getting hit again there, and then sliding into Wisconsin, Michigan. You can see on the southern end that severe weather, those strong lines of storms moving east, and that wraparound snow right behind it with that big temperature difference. So the snow heads into Ontario, it heads into Quebec, mainly missing much of the northeast and portions of New England, but we'll have those scattered lake effect snow showers break out during the day on Wednesday. Luckily, with warmer ground temps, should not see much in the way of accumulation. But to the west, that's a totally different story. We're looking at a swath of about 6 to 8 inches on either side of that. For 20-30 miles or so, you're looking at 1 to 3, maybe 4 or 5 inches in spots. And then as we head eastward out and towards portions of Wisconsin and Michigan and up in towards Canada as well, you can see a wide spread, half a foot or more. Some of this is going to fall during the daytime. Temperatures on the ground will be a little issue, so probably not fully adding that up on pavement, but some plowing certainly necessary, and salting pretty widespread for a lot of folks. Our next big system, after a couple days of just kind of hit and miss stuff, will be forming down across the south, but it's going to pull in a lot of cold air. Notice the blue. We're almost getting into mid-April, but a decent shot of snow as we go into Friday. Some cities having their opening day for baseball, and they could be dealing with snow like Cleveland as well. Back from the Midwest all the way into the Northeast. Oh boy, it just continues out there, that's for sure. This low pressure system is one to be watched. It looks like it's going to be a snowy one, and it looks like it could be on the strong side of things. You need those weather updates to help plan any kind of plowing and landscaping as you go towards the warm season as well. I would love to talk with you about how we can help provide some value, give you a more accurate weather forecast that's more efficient as well. Give NeoWeather a call today.